Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add emergency contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. From here scroll down. After that go to safety and emergency option. Then just tap on emergency contacts and that's it. Now from here you can add emergency contacts which is show on the lock screen. So just tap on add emergency contacts option and then choose any number or contacts. If I select it and then tap on done, then you have to enable this option show on lock screen and it's done. Now if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, just tap on emergency call and that's it. You can see on the lock screen emergency contacts are showing. You can call this number without unlock your phone. Just tap here and then tap on OK and that's it. And that is how you can add emergency contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.